Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my sweet students. Today I'm once again here with a new topic, multiple choice question on the famous poem Keeping Quiet, composed by Pablo Neruda. So here we go. The first question is, what does the title of the poem suggest? Options are option A, inactivity, B, noise, C, unhappiness, D, maintenance of silence. The correct answer is option number D, that is maintenance of silence. Now let's move to our second question. What does the poem speak about? Options are option A, the necessity to be happy, B, the necessity to be happy, the necessity to introspect, understand, and have feelings of brotherhood, the necessity to work quietly, and option D, none. Answer is option number B, the necessity to introspect, understand, and have feelings of brotherhood. Now let's move to our third question. What does counting up to 12 signify and how will it help? Options are option A, hours of the day, B, months of a year, C, it will help to create peace and harmony, option D, all. Answer is option number D, all. Let's move to question number 4. What is poet's pen name? Options are option A, Neruda, option B, Pablo, option C, Pablo, option D, Pablo Neruda. The answer is option number D, Pablo Neruda. Let's move to our fifth question. What does the style of the poem symbolize that the poet used to write with? Options are A, desires, B, happiness, C, hope, D, desire and hope. Option D is the right answer. Let's move to our question number 6. What is the original language of the poem? Options are option A, English, option B, French, option C, Pali, option D, Spanish. The correct answer is option D, Spanish. Let's move to our seventh question. What is the essence of message of the poem? The options are A, introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. Option B, to prosper. Option C, to be happier. Option D, to read out more people. The correct option is option A, introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. Now let's move to our question number 8. What does the poet feel is needed to be at peace? Options are option A, meeting with people, option B, talking with people, option C, interaction with the people, option D, soul searching. The correct answer is option number D, soul searching. Now let's move to our question number 9. According to the poet, what creates barriers? Options are A, interactions, B, reactions, C, fighting, option D, languages. The correct answer is answer D, option D, that is languages. Now let's move to question number 10. Why does the poet ask people not to speak? Options are option A, because it creates noise, option B, he doesn't like noise, option C, it makes things unpleasant, option D, because it creates barriers or obstacles in the form of misunderstanding amongst the people. The correct answer is option number D, because it creates barriers or obstacles in the form of misunderstanding amongst people. Now let's move to question number 11. What is the rhyming scheme used in the poem? Option A, enclosed rhyme. B, monorhyme. C, sonnet. D, free verse. The correct answer is option number D, free verse. Let's move to our question number 12. How is keeping quiet related to life and can change attitude? Options are option A, it helps to think and search soul. Helps option B, helps to scratch one soul. Option C, helps to develop new thinking process. Option D, all these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Now let's move to our next question, that is question number 13. How will keeping quiet protect our environment? Options are option A, by creating peace and brotherhood feeling. Option B, no noise will be there. Option C, people with no fight. Option D, none. Answer is option number A, by creating peace and brotherhood feeling. Now let's move to question number 14. What is destroying the environment? Options are unthoughtful action. Option B, violent actions. Option C, speaking without thinking. Option D, all. The correct answer is option D, all. Now let's move to next question. That is question number 15. What does number 12 represent? Options are option A, hours of the day and month of a year. Option B, earth. Option C, clock. Option D, cricket players. The correct answer is option A, hours of the day and month of a year. Now let's move to question number 16. What does the poem Keeping Quiet teach us? Options are option A, how to maintain silence. Option B, not to make noise. Option C, speaking creates noise. Option D, to be peaceful, thoughtful, and have feelings of brotherhood. Correct answer is option number D, to be peaceful, thoughtful, and have feeling of brotherhood. Now let's move to our question number 17. Not move our arms. What does this expression refer to? Options are sit quietly. Option B, stand quietly. Option C, to be inactive. D, sitting still without any movement. The correct answer is option number D, sitting still without any movement. Now let's move to our question number 18. Why is silence treated as a big issue? Options are it helps to search our soul. Option B, helps us to analyze our actions. Option C, help us to be thoughtful and find out true life. Option D, all these. The correct answer is all these. Now let's move to our next question, that is question number 19. What should not be confused with total inactivity or death? Options are option A, no movement. Option B, a statue. Option C, talking people. Option D, stillness and silence. The correct option is the correct answer is option D, stillness and silence. Let's move to our next question, that is question number 20. What can be a cure or an antidote to violent actions? The options are option A, speaking practice. Option B, wise words. Option C, polished language. Option D, practice of silence. The correct answer is option number D, practice of silence. Students, let's move to our question number 21. What is the sadness in the poem that the poet speaks about? The options are option A, violence because of unthoughtfulness of the people. Option B, unnecessary movements. C, speaking aloud. D, fighting. The correct answer is option A, violence because of unthoughtfulness of the people. Now let's move to our question number 22. What does the earth symbolize? The options are option A, preservance and new beginning from seemingly stillness. Option B, stillness. C, greenery. D, prosperity. The correct option is option number D, prosperity. Now let's move to question number 23. What is always alive even when everything seems to be dead or still? Options are mountains. Option B, rivers. Option C, sun. Option D, earth and nature are always alive. Answer D. Correct option is option number D, earth and nature are always alive. Now let's move to question number 24. What does the poets request people to keep quiet? Why does the poet request people to keep quiet? The options are to maintain silence, to avoid option B, to avoid noise, C, to be friendly, option D, in the hope of becoming more thoughtful and peaceful. The correct option is option D, in the hope of becoming more thoughtful and peaceful. Now let's move to question number 25. What does the poet want people to do for 1 second? Options are option A, to sing, to close, option B, to close eyes, option C, to stand quietly, D, to be silent and motionless. The correct option is option number D, to be silent and motionless. Question number 26. Let's see how can the moments of no activity help people. The options are they will be healthy, option B, they will be happy, option C, they will work easily, option D, to relax and be more thoughtful. The correct answer is option number D, to relax and be more thoughtful. Now let's move to question number 27. What will happen if there are no engines and no crowd? Options are noise will be lessened. Option B, no crowd on roads. Option C, no traffic rush. Option D, it will create a perfect happy moment. The correct option is option number D, it will create a perfect happy moment. Now let's move to question number 28. Why is the moment of silence called exotic? Options are option A, because of the beautiful scenery around. Option B, because of the gathering. Option C, because of large gathering. Option D, because of perfect peace and harmony. Answer, the correct option is option number D, because of perfect peace and harmony. Now let's move to our question number 29. What would everyone feel at that exotic moment? Options are option A, happy, option B, content, C, dancing, D, strange blissful oneness. The correct answer is the strange blissful oneness. Let's move to question number 30. How long is the poet expecting everyone to stay still? Options are for 10 minutes, option B for 12 minutes, option C for 15 minutes, option D for 1 second till we count 12. Answer is option number D, for 1 second till we count 12. Now let's move to question number 31. Why is the poet asking everyone not to speak any language? The answers are options are to avoid noise, B, to avoid loud voices, option C, to avoid people, option D, to avoid conflicts and misunderstanding. The correct option is option number D, to avoid conflicts and misunderstanding. Now let's move to question number 32. What is the poet expecting from fishermen? Options are option A, to find more fish, B, to go deeper into the sea, C, to think and stop harming the fish, D, none. Answer is option number C, right? To think, stop harming the fish. Now let's move to question number 33. While gathering salt, what will happen to the man if he keeps silent for a moment? The options are A, he will stop dropping it, he will look at the ground. Option B, he will look at the ground. Option C, he will walk carefully. Option D, he will think of the harm the salt is doing to his hands. The correct option is option number D, he will think of the harm the salt is doing to his hands. Now let's move to question number 34. What does hurt hand refer to? Options are option A, growing needs of the man, B, growing greed of man, option C, unfulfilled desires, D, growing insensitivity of man to pain. Correct option is option number D, growing insensitivity of man to pain. Now let's move to question number 35. How will silence benefit the man and nature? Options are option A, both will be friends. Option B, man will know nature better. Option C, man will be healthy. Option D, man will stop hurting nature and both will heal themselves. The correct option is option D, man will stop hurting nature and both will heal themselves. Now let's move to question number 36. Which images in the poem show that the poet condemns or hate violence? Options are option A, fishermen not harming whales, wars, option B, wars leaving behind no survivors to celebrate, option C, poets refusal to deal with death, option D, all of these. The correct option is option number D, all these. Now let's move to our question number 37. What symbol from nature the poet uses to prove that keeping quiet is not total inactivity? Options are option A, sun, option B, soil, option C, earth, option D, nature and earth. The correct option is option D, nature and earth. Now let's move to question number 38. What are the different kinds of wars mentioned in the poem? Options are option A, war against humanity, option B, war against nature, option C, war with gases and fire, option D, all of these. The correct option is all of these. All these. Now let's move to our question number 39. What can human beings learn from nature? Options are option A, beauty, option B, keeping quiet, option C, to be happy, D, working with silence. The correct option is and option number D, working with silence. Now let's move to question number 40. How does the poet perceive life? Options are A, stillness, B, as silence, C, a noisy place, D, a continuous evolution of nature. The correct answer is option number D, a continuous evaluation of nature. So that's all for today. Hope hope you all know you all studied well. It will help. My MCQ questions will help you all, right? Hoping for a better future, my sweet students. So it's time to say goodbye. Take care. Love you all. Thank you very much.